Good day, students. Today, our discussion is all about the viscosity of the fuel, how to set our viscosity controller by changing the temperature based on the required viscosity. So, on board the ship, we are maintaining the viscosity from 10 centistokes or CST up to 15 centistokes only. But sometimes we receive a bunker with ranging from 180 to 380 CST. So we need to lower down that viscosity to somewhere between 10 CST up to 15 CST. So that is the recommended viscosity most of the marine diesel engines. So let's get started. So for example, a we have received a bunker fuel, heavy fuel oil from the barge, which has a 380 CST heavy fuel oil. So here on the bottom, you can see there is 380 CST here, and then with this line, this all corresponds to 380 CST. So we're going to change the color of this for now. So we'll change it to red. Okay, so for example, we need to have a 11, or our target viscosity is 11. So here on the right side, we can see the centistokes. So we have from 7 to 30. And on the left side is the corresponding temperature. So for example, our target viscosity is 11 centistokes. So as we can see here, there's no 11, only 10 and 12. But we all knew that uh, the 11 is in between 10 and 12. So what we can do is to copy this. I'll just copy this with a blue color. And we're going to put it here to 11. Maybe change it to yellow color. So here's the line for 11 centistokes. As we can see here, it intersects on this side here. And if we are going to draw a line, going to the left side, so here we copy this one, and then change color to green. So here is the intersection. So by looking at the temperature side, we can see it's around 146 degrees Celsius. So if we want to have a viscosity of 11 centistokes from 380 CST, we need to heat up the fuel at around 146 degrees Celsius. And that temperature will be the temperature that we are going to set in our controller. If we need to have a 12 CST from 380 CST, so I'll just erase this one and find the intersection between the two lines. So what we can see here is around 142 degrees Celsius. So in order for us to attain a 12 CST or 12 centistokes from a 380 centistokes heavy fuel oil, we need to heat up that fuel oil at around 142 degrees Celsius. So I hope you get the idea on how to read this graph and to find the approximate temperature in order for us to attain the desired uh, viscosity value in centistokes. So thank you very much for listening.